How to use coins on AliExpress app. Log into your AliExpress account using your credentials to unlock all the essential features tied to the coin system. Once logged in, head straight to the coins section. This is where you'll find vital information about your current coin balance. If you're starting with no coins, don't worry. You can kickstart your collection by tapping on the Collect button. This simple action adds coins to your account. For those eager to accumulate more coins, explore the Earn More Coins option. Now, let's move on to the exciting part, choosing the product you wish to purchase. Navigate through AliExpress and find the item that catches your eye. As you explore products, pay attention to the offered discount percentage. This figure represents the amount you can save when using your accumulated coins. Hit the Buy Now button associated with your chosen product. As you proceed to the payment stage, you'll encounter the option to use your accumulated coins for a substantial discount. Take advantage of this feature to save big on your purchase. Confirm your order by tapping Buy Now once again. This final step ensures that your chosen item is secured, and your discount is applied. And there you have it, a detailed guide on how to leverage coins on AliExpress for exclusive discounts. If you found this walkthrough helpful, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more in-depth tutorials. Thanks for tuning in, and happy shopping!